Hello everybody, I am Archana Rani. In this lecture, we are going to discuss graphics programming, how to draw the graphs in Applet. Quite interesting concept. How we can draw the graphs in Applet? Yeah. So, what are the types of graphs? Line graphs, drawing a bar chart that we are going to cover in this lecture. Let's we start. What are the types of graph we can draw in Applet? As I said it that in a topic we can draw the two types of graph in Applet. First is line graph and second is bar chart. Line graph, to draw the line graph we can use the polygon concept and draw the line. Whereas bar chart, for drawing the bar chart we can use the rectangle shape in Applet and we draw the bar chart. While drawing the bar chart, we use it the parameter passing concept and get parameter method and draw the bar chart. With example for both the types of graph we are going to see in details. Let's we start to discuss the first type, that is how to draw the line graph in Applet. For designing the applet to draw the line graph, we have to first should have some data. That data is represented in tabular format on a screen. That data we are getting in two variables. First is x variable and second is y variable. These variables, two variables, are showing the relationship between the two variables. Yes. Now let's we have a look how to draw the polygon, that means line graph, by using some specific value and draw the line graph on a screen. For that, first whatever x value we are having, that we have to put it in one array. That array I have take it here x array and y array, appropriate value whatever value it's given in tabular data in tabular format, that I have taken in array. Then for polygon, how many sides you wanted to draw that polygon, you can identify by using the length of that particular variable. So we calculate the n value for passing the parameter to polygon. Then as we have already discussed, for drawing the applet we have to use it the paint method. In paint method we use it the function called as draw polygon. While drawing polygon you have to pass the three parameters, that is how many points you want to draw, how many lines you want to draw in polygon, that is x value, y value and n value. And by using the applet code we can draw the polygon, and if we run this program you can see the output that it will start to draw the line from xyz x and y position up to, and it will fill the polygon. Yes, this is all about how to draw the line graph. Whereas the second type of graph is drawing a bar chart. As I said it, to draw the bar chart is first we discuss what is the need of this. So mostly bar chart is help to analyze the data. In this example I have considered here one again the tabular data, which is commonly used in comparative analysis. Yes, and this data shows the annual turnover of the particular company during the period of 1991 to 1994. These values can be placed in HTML file with the help of param attributes. We can design the applet and display the chart. For a appropriate year, that is turnover, annual turnover is showing the value in that particular cell. Let's we see how to draw the bar chart. As I already said, to draw the bar chart, first thing that you have to use it the get parameter method and passing the parameter in applet file. First we see how to read the data is from the parameters. For writing the applet code we have to extend the applet, and then init value we have to initialize the value. As we have seen in our tabular data, we are getting the 4 years turnover value. So we have taken that 4 values here, that is label 1, label 2, label 3 and label 4, and that I have stored in a array again label. That array I have taken here as a string array, and by getting the parameters, that is value of that particular label, I have taken taken the get parameter methods in that whatever appropriate parameter is passing, that value I am going to convert into the integer, because we have to display the integer value on a screen. And then with the help of, as I said, it fill rectangle field, I have draw that value here. Yes, that is that rectangle here. Now, main for passing the parameter, main thing is, as we have already seen, to write the html file. While writing the html file, how many parameters you are having, you have to use it that much param attributes here. So for four values, I have taken here four variables, that is four parameters, whereas for representing the label, that is the year, appropriate year, again I have taken the four label here. And if you see the tabular value along with that year value, I have passed it from the param value. For passing the param attributes, we have to use it the two attributes for the param tag, that is name and value. Name is for referring the value, referring the particular variable, whereas value is the appropriate value of that particular parameter or the variable. And if you run this program, the output is generating like this. This is the simple example for drawing the bar chart. Yes, I am having the one more example, that if I want to represent this data, again this data is almost similar, that the period of this data is for the annual result of the school data period from year 2001 to 2005, along with the how much percentage has been displayed for the student. Yes, that again I have taken the param value for the year 1 2 3 4 5 years are there, so I have taken the five parameters for the year, whereas the result again five parameters I have taken. Then I use it the one string variables in the applet code and read it the year value as well as the appropriate value of that particular result value. Yes, with the help of get parameter method, and then draw the rectangle by using the appropriate label. I have drawn it, and I have displayed the message also, that this is the example for the bar chart. This is all about the bar chart, or how we can draw the graphs in a applet. Here we finish our unit 4. Thank you.